David Wynn here. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update on how I'm doing with Commission Hero and life in general. Been working hard every day, streamlining, learning the process of Commission Hero. Realize I have been doing a couple things wrong, and I need to tweak my way of going about scaling ads and things like that. I've had some success with some sales. I've been getting kind of stuck at that $100 to $200-300 days, and I'll show you guys in a minute. A lot of you guys have been asking for like my results and things like that, so I'm gonna be showing you guys a quick screen capture of the last week or so. So guys, this is how I'm doing so far. Like I said, I've been just digging deeper into the course again, and I learned a lot today about like making sure that you stop your ads if you're not getting a certain ROI. Robbie talks about 120 to 200 return on investment on your ad, so that if you, for example, your product sells for like, and you make like $70 on a sale, then you should basically be breaking even on that or a little bit more profit. So if it's costing you, then you should be cutting the ads. So that's something that I haven't been doing for every single ad, and I'm gonna hold myself accountable. Have I been profitable? Yes, I have been profitable, but there's other factors here. So I'm just gonna show you guys a breakdown. This is like last month combined with this month. So definitely some sales coming in as I learn. This is the last little while there. See, February 26, I had a $368 day, 100, after that 140, 144, 113, 366. So it's been a little inconsistent as I would like it to be. As I learn, turn off ads, turn them back on, but I'm gonna rescale everything very soon, following to a T of what Robbie's teaching. So I'm gonna hold myself accountable on that. As you guys can see, I had my biggest day on Commission Hero on Sunday, and that's straight up just sales, and that was definitely a profitable day. But as things got, later on the week, Monday had a $219 day, Tuesday and Wednesday slowing down a little bit. So as you can see, I need to kind of refocus and basically relook at the program again and go back to the basics, right? Go back to learning dynamic creative, what that is, finding the best images that work and not overreaching and just trying to hustle to, don't use that gambler's mentality of just, the higher I set my budgets, the better it is. So I've kind of scaled back a little bit, and you guys can see my goals here. I just wrote on my wall here. Goals, 1K a day, return on investment about 200%. I wrote, revisited my whys, my family, have a life of freedom and purpose, right? Also, I really believe in positive mindset and manifestation. So some of my goals in life are, at least have $2 million in the bank, which is a little intense for some, but you know what? Why not? It's, if you don't set a goal, you don't set a mindset and set attainable things or even unattainable things, it's not going to happen. So you might as well set that goal. I want to have 5 real estate properties cash flowing for me, whether that's regular cash flow or Airbnb. I want to create my first online program and sell 100 units of that program, which is in the works right now. In the best shape of my life, working towards that. I've been slacking a little this week due to the lack of sleep, so I need to get focused, get my sleep again, and continue the intermittent fasting and my fitness journey and getting to the gym regularly. Also, I want my agency to be self-run at 10K per month, all right? Which I haven't gotten there yet. Also, traveling the world freely, and I want my credit score to be 900 plus. So those are some of my goals, guys. And let me know down below. Make sure you like the video. Write down your goals for this year. And any feedback or any questions you have regarding the Commission Hero as well. let me know, and I would love to help. Anyone, I am an affiliate for Commission Hero, so if you guys want to get in the program, I would 100% recommend it. And there's a lot of tools. You just gotta utilize the tools the right way. Don't be like me and go through the course, get super excited, and then start not utilizing every aspect of the materials, right? Go back to the drawing board and then reset everything, and then just follow the materials, because the materials can lead to success, right? There's people making 20,000, 30,000 a month on this program. There's people making 20, 30,000 a week. So if they can do it, we can do it. We just got to do it the right way. Make sure that we're following all the training properly. So yeah, write down below your goals for this year. Write down below any questions, and I would love to help you guys out. This is David from August University, and I look forward to hearing from you guys. I met a few of you guys that watch my videos and got into the program already, and I'd love to learn more from you guys. What you do, your life, your family, just build a community around this. But this is David, August University, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.